i-unbox yan. Diba? Kailangan maano na yung maano mo yung candle. Ayun, may sticker. May sticker.
Okay.
May tape, my dear. The other one. Ngayon yung candle.
Okay. Okay, wait. I'll take it. Okay.
Yung candle na. Sindihan niya na. Dali, Eros. Bigay mo na kay mami yung candles. Kahit yung 1 na lang para bigay mo kay mami para malagyan niya ng apoy. Yung 7, i-stick mo na. Eros, hurry up.
Dikit mo yung isa para
Okay, wait.
Mainit, Kairos ha. Mainit. I-stick mo properly. Yung 7. Okay. Yan. Huwag mo masyado durugin. Masyado malapit dun sa fire. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, wait. Sing loud.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kairos. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kairos.
God bless you, Kairos.
Okay, bake a wish.
I wish everyone will subscribe to my channel and I'll become a YouTuber when I grow up and I'll become a good person. I'm turned 17 for now, so yeah, God bless you.
Yay!
Oo, mami, huwag nang sabihin niya na.
Oh, naka-video si Linda.
I like the cake.
Wala namang binili.
Oo nga.
Oh,
Oh, gusto mo, ilan? Isa dito.
yes.
Alam mo, maghati ka na lang ng isa, tapos hati na lang para. Tikman natin yung cake.
Ito kay Kairos.
Tingnan ko na yung mga laman dito.
Kairos, alisin ko na yung candle. Diyan mo na.
Is that your?
This is yours. Ako'y maliit lang kakainin. yan pag yung kakapraso lang. Pag marami, nakakaroon. Okay mo. Okay.
Yay!
Ayan na. This is yours.
Alright.
Kami ni ate.
Where's your...
Sa'yo ito.
Okay, then,
O dito tayo na naman. Maliit.
here's the fork.
Masarap.
Yeah.
Aray, aray. Ano yun?
Oh. Okay, bye. Thai and
Ano ni, doon na rin daw sila pinapatay,
Okay.
pinapaihi.
okay,
Tapos
this,
buntis yung babae.
okay, next is Thai.
Sabi ko, ano kayang trabaho nila doon? Basta sila daw ay ano, na human traffic.
Okay, done. Now put it inside the ref.
Careful lang.
Okay. Okay.